unsteady, I feel ready, but my legs heavy, I don't get it. How come I haven't hit it already? Still working, I'm still learning, I'm still searching, finally learning something, finally turning something called a profit. If I hear you talking shit, don't get caught in it. I'll be popping off and hit your ass, dropping out of shit. Yeah, I promise this, I got promises. You ain't stopping this, cross my shit, you'll be not just bitch. That's the consequence, I got this, I will not quit. Man, I'm on it, I'll launch quick, then I'm gone. It's just a matter of time before I'm over the line and moving under my pride. I'm 9 to 5, I'm rocking, they watching, cause it's shocking. Dropping all these top 10s, I'm so stopping. It's time to live my life, it's time to live my die. Wish I could slow down time and just enjoy the vibe.
Let's go. Yeah, I'm a first kid, bro. I swear to God, I'm getting it, bro. Hey, I ain't never giving up. Said I never give up. I got this, man, I got it. I will not quit, I'm on it. Never rock it. Got the block lit, I'm toxic. Spitting logic, make them nauseous. Honest, man, I suck this. Never cautious, drop it. I'm the hardest. Knock, knock, bitch, watch it. I'm the fucking king of rock, bitch. Poppin', spitting hot shit. I'm dropping, chronic. I think I'm motherfucking lost it. Back, matter of fact, making racks where it's at. Had my back to the mat, not an act, that's a fact. We attack in a pack, no react, no react. Think I'm black, up his act. While I rap, does a step, throwing jabs in a scrap. We're advanced, I'm the man. Got a plan better than most brands. Goddamn, I'm a rhyme till I die. Never lie, that's a lie. I don't try, I defy. Get the time that I'm fighting.
Yeah, I've been in the studio, working on it, I'll do it cause I'm in the zone. And you know that I'm ready for the shows, how it goes, I don't know, but I'm waiting till I'm chose, running home, here I go. All these people wanna know what you think of them lately. Do you really love me or do you really hate me? On a scale of 1 to 10, what would you rate me? All this social media has got me going crazy lately. Everything's inflated, mainly everyone's invaded. Privacy is and I really hate it, God, I really hate it. I just wanna make it, all this fake shit, living in the real life, in real time, talking about the real climb, passionate in real rhymes, steal time back from my 9 to 5, taking back my fucking life. I just wanna feel alive.